Blu, and I did the barn owl, or the tropo, I have no clue what it's called, but it's the scientific name, and it's by me. And this is the tree, and this is the mother, and these are the two babies. And then right here is the ground, and then this is the flying father. My interesting facts. I bet you didn't know that barn owls are associated with death and almonds. And barn owls sway side to side. They lower their heads, bow, and they clatter their beaks and hiss. And this is the same thing in here, but a better cutout. And it's a picture, basically, of my whole diorama, but it's way smaller. And how this thing is flying is we glued it right here. And there's a little tree right here. So